This is awesome, eh? What the hell, right? This is nuts. Feels like a snowstorm in May, man. Boop. Yeah. Oh shit! Hey, I saved it! I saved it! Mother... Yeah! Totally! That was awesome. Oh, you fucking wiped me out again. So. Fucking guy, eh? This is crazy, snowstorm in May. So cool. Right on. Right on, that was awesome.
That was hilarious.
So,
how did you save that?
How did he? I know. I hit.
yeah.
I literally full on like football.
I did a 180 at like 50 kilometers an hour.
You were going
50K,
backwards.
dude. We were hauling ass.
Slide backwards.
Yeah.
Just a foot, and he just goes.
Yeah.
That guy saw it.
I know.
That was, and then,
Dude,
and then
he
I
did
cut
not
him
dig on
off.
the chairlift. Look.
That was
Yeah, I know.
hilarious.
That's like what I did.
I go in because you tapped me, so I was like.
And then you did it again, and then you did it again at the side. I was like, fuck.
When you tap me, Dad, the moment you tapped me, I said, I'm gonna touch him. And I got in
I did. I
way
poked
too
you on
close.
one. I came by you and I poked you with my pole.
I got in way too close, literally smacked in the.
I had it all on camera too. It's recording.
That was hilarious.
Big tail.